So, are you the person who has a problem? Well, of course, sino bang tao na walang problema in the first place? I mean, are you depressed? Do you have anxiety? Are you broken? Are you brokenhearted? Or anything like you feel in pain? Is there someone hurt you? Is there someone unexpectedly give you unexpected pain? That you were expecting them to love you, to give you this and that, and then all of a sudden, wind change. Are you? So I just want to tell you this and hear me out. First of all, embrace that process. I am not telling you to heal yourself instantly because you cannot. If you want to cry, cry. If you want to take a cold shower, do it. But what I'm doing right now is that if I felt bad, if I felt in pain, if I felt doubt, if I felt confused, if I felt like any kind of negative spirit, negative emotions in my mind, in my heart, I write it down. And what I'm doing, sinusunog ko after. Not even a small piece of paper ang dapat matira. Dapat totally ash. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's totally effective for me. And might as well you can try it for yourself. At least releasing the pain that way or with this kind of different methods. At least makapag-experiment ka on your own. It's just so happened na I've been through a lot in my life. There's a lot of silent battles that no one in my family knows about this. No one in my friends knows about. You know, there are certain situations in my life na I am only dealing it with myself. And I am so glad that I have faith. Yes, of course, I do believe in God. I have faith. And I am always thinking that God put me in that situation, in that one particular situation, for me to be able to be strong enough for the next breakthrough that He is giving me. That's faith. Second, I am always thinking na ang itlog nga kailangan mong basagin bago ka magkaroon ng sunny side up in the morning. Or bago ka magkaroon ng fried egg or scrambled egg sa tapsilog mo. So, why do I need to feel afraid of having pain, of being hurt? Where in fact, I also realized that having pain in life is, 1, proof that you are alive. 2, pain is essential in our life. It's essential. You cannot live your life with totally 100% and everyday happy memories. No. Because at the end of the day, you will be weak. You can't even find a solution to solve one situation, one problem. It will be hard for you if you won't experience any pain, any failure, any challenges in your life. Basta tandaan mo, nasa sitwasyon ka na yan kasi it's God redirection. Trust me. Malalampasan mo yan, at pag nalampasan mo yan, kamot o kulo ko na lang at sasabihin mo, eto pala yung plano ni Lord. Eto pala yung gusto niya matutunan ko. Eto pala yung gusto ni Lord na malaman ko. Every situations in our life, every emotions that we feel, that we felt, are all fleeting. In just one snap, those are not temporary. And your mistake will never define you as who you are and what you are. Pagdadaanan mo lang yan. At kailangan mong pagdaanan yan bilang tao at bilang nabubuhay ka sa mundong to. Yun lang.